Okay na.
First five, Sonics versus Abnormal.
Cruz. Okay. Yorme now to Chacha. Good for 2 points by Mr.
Nino versus IT. Who got the ball? Sonic's ball.
Now.
Out of bounds. Red ball. Inbound by Daniel. Daniel
3 seconds violation.
Natsunaga. Gonzalez turnover. Another turnover.
Chacha now.
First possession, green ball.
Barcia for
Gonzalez.
3 points.
Gatchalian. Wala ko, pahabol. Gatchalian, 2 points. Shout out DJ Duarte.
Yorme. Ay, turnover. Buti sa kanila pa.
Ano nga, Papilero no good. Ang gawa ng bola, Nino is there. Last bit lang naman. Kunanan.
Chacha now.
Si Kiko.
Pasok. Para kay jersey number 1. Score. First foul up. Zaki, that is your first personal foul. First team foul. Bartolo.
Gonzalez, Gatchalian.
Score 7-1.
Time to shoot.
Ready for the jumper. Complete 2 points by Mr. Bartolo.
Time to shoot.
Chacha now.
2 points.
To Saki. To Barcia for 3 points. Pumasok pa yun, ha? Nabulat. Kilia. Babawi si jersey number 17. No good. Chacha again. Chacha to Barcia now. Again. To Bantay. 50 to shoot. Yorme for 3. No good.
Hey, gising!
Si Mr. Pantera.
4-4-0.
With jersey number 8. To Bartolo. To Bella. Pantin na now. 10 to shoot.
Gonzalez, wala. Rebound ni Cruz.
Nakagawan pa. Ayan na si Castillo buhangin to Barcia. Ang Barcia. Time out!
4-4.
Wow.
3-4 pala. Gonzalez to Kunanan. Kunanan, 2 points.
Score 12-2 in favor by Eagles. Okay. Back to the ball game.
For 3, wala. Rebound ni Bella Rose to Gatchalian.
Ayan na si Bella.
Gatchalian.
Bella now.
Ay, nagaw ni Cruz.
15 to shoot. Bella.
Si Papillero.
Papasahan to
Papillero.
Panipayan.
Pinasa kay De La Rava.
10 to shoot. Si Bella again for 2. No good. Rebound ni Cruz. Team foul. Bonus shot para kay Bartola.
Oh, may plus sila. Wala akong uniform.
Uy, in and out yun.
Walang uniform. Oh, plus 2 ang red ha. Walang uniform si Cruz.
Next bonus shot. Ready for the jumper. Wala pa rin.
Wala akong uniform.
Rebound ni Saki. Makalat pa ang team Rogue. Ayan na si Barcia. Ang layo niya for 3 points. Umuulan ng 3 si Barcia.
7-6.
Ayan na si Paritaya. Babawi. Malakas ang layup. Rebound ni Bantay.
Plus 2 kayo last na.
Chacha. Bantay.
Gravity
Rebound ni
violation.
Cruz. Bella now.
Mamaya pagka-second quarter.
Bella. Bella. To Barto. Inside connect. Nice shot para kay Bartolo. Chacha now.
2 points,
Tumachacha.
si Magalista.
Si Saki. To Yorme.
9-8.
Saki. 10 to shoot. Barsha again for 3 points. Grabe naman yan.
Wala, oy.
Score 84. Malaki na talaga
Kaya.
ang kalamangan. Connection.
Bola.
Bella. For 3 points. Grabe naman. Wala.
Oy, nakagaw ni Cruz. Cruz. Double dribble.
Again, 3 points para kay Barsha.
Oy, na-plus ko na yung 2 sa inyo. Na-plus ko na.
Grabe. 21-7.
Gotcha
Wala
niya.
pa ang internet.
14 to shoot.
Bella again.
Gonzalez.
Bella inside to Bartolo.
10.
Bartolo. Who's fouled up?
5. Gonzalez. Wala.
Bantay. That is her
Nakuha
first
ni
personal
Cruz.
foul. 13 foul.
Cruz.
to shoot.
Malapit. 2 points. 11-8.
Sabay lang.
Kuha ni Bantay.
Well,
Ayan na si
11.
Saki. Inside to Barsha. Al Barsha to Yorme. Good for 2 points by Mr.
Minorama.
Yorme.
Papillero. For 3. Wala. But foul number 2. Gotcha niya. First personal, first team foul. Last 2 minutes. Sabi nyo. Papillero. For 3. Wala. Nakuha na Evangelista. 2 points. 13-10. Gonzalez. Nagaw. Papillero. Wala. Nakuha ni De La Rama. De La Rama. To Papillero. Inilapit. 2 points. 15-10. One minute, 10 seconds.
15 seconds.
Time
15
out.
seconds.
Chronics. Jeric Lorario. Black, nakuha pa rin niya. Talinyo to Papillero, 14 to shoot. Papillero, wala. In and out. Gonzalez, Bellaros. Bellaros, perimeter, wala. Nakuha ni Papillero.
Wala internet.
Papillero. Papillero, turn around.
Wala
But there's a
internet.
foul. 29, dalawa ka na, Zara. 13 foul, 2 free throw for Papillero. First throw, pasok. Wala pa.
Yun, no?
End of the second quarter. Pasok.
Idol!
17-10.
Idol!
O sige, second 5. Second pa lang. Yatay.
Yatay.
Villagego inbound the ball. Mayrina.
Idol!
Jersey number 24.
14 seconds to shoot.
Konti na lang.
10!
Ito na si
To
Dulce,
Delarama,
number 28.
kinulang. 14 to shoot. Delarama
Inside.
ulit. 2 points. 19-10. Nagaw.
Dagan ang steal niya nito.
Papillero. Wala pa din. Myrina, but there's a foul.
Angel.
Number 10, first personal.
First personal foul.
First team
First team
foul.
foul.
2 free throw for number 28, Myrina.
Pass to Jeric.
First throw, wala.
Second throw. Pasok.
Yun, no?
Wala.
Huwag ka umarang.
Kanila pa rin.
Still. Jersey number 3. That is your first personal foul. Second team foul.
Check mo ulit. I-reconnect mo.
Depensa.
Pangalista, 2 points.
Okay na, okay na.
21-12 ang ating score. Gonzales. Myrina, 2 points. 14-21. Ay! Dinarama ito Evangelista. Wala. 13 seconds.
Off mo yung wifi to i-on mo ulit.
14-21. Di atay. Diyan sa kabila. Cross. 2 points. 23-14.
Harap lang.
Score 35-20.
Internet connection talaga.
Wala. Myrina. Naay. Ayan na. Yes, Myrina. Oy, si Myrina lang ang player sa loob.
Tatlo kayo dyan.
Dalinyo. Bang! 3 points by Dalinyo.
Wala.
Cruz. Duarte. 10 to shoot.
Uy! May ganun!
Grabe ang TJ.
Ben, relax lang, Ben!
18-26. Papillero.
Time out!
Dalinyo, 2 points.
Wolves.
28-18. Gonzales to Myrina. Black. But there's a foul. Number 4.
Okay.
Evangelista, first
Let's go.
personal. Second team foul.
Nag-iyaw kami
Wala
ng
talaga.
bangos kanina. Nag-iyaw kayong bangos kanina. Naka-point ba?
Patay.
Saan yung point?
wala na yung pool. Pati pool, nakain na.
Wala talaga dyan.
Ano yung start ko?
Ay, si Atay.
Okay.
Relax.
Pressure na complete na si Mayroon.
Wala pa rin.
Yo!
Mas kamayan pa.
19-28.
Apat daw.
14 to shoot.
Apat to jersey number 3.
Papillero.
Jump shot. No good.
Then wala 4-3. Wala.
And now, jersey number 28. Same ball.
Foul number 10. Dalawa ka na. Third team foul.
Jersey number 28. Inside. Wala pa talaga.
Sige na. Wilson, first personal. First team foul.
Ayan, si Abad. Abad. Umabong si Abad. Spring.
Ulit, saka si Besser. Alata. 4-3. Kanya-kanya na naman ang cronies.
Last 2 minutes. Abad second.
Uy, dandan, foul. Was foul.
15 to shoot.
19, Taliño.
Aliot. And Dogs in best.
First personal warning for penalty.
Abad again. Abad.
Warning.
Pen mo. Sige.
Duarte. Duarte, ayan ay
Inside. Pasok. Okay.
14. Penalty.
Oh, second na yan.
Abad.
Ito ang warning
Wala
ng isa.
talaga.
Nag-warning ako
Still
kanina.
pa.
Oy, makinig kayo. Nag-warning ako.
Who's foul rep?
High blood na pa nila.
Ay, tingnan mo sa live.
High blood na pa
First personal foul. Second team
Ako lahat
foul.
si inyo.
Baksak. Shooter, baksak.
High blood na pa si Marisa ron.
Kaya.
Still, ayan na si Daton. Daton inside. Again, number 28. Pasok. He scored 45-22.
Wala sundot.
Break number 3. Sasalaksak. Pasok. Nakapasok rin. Last 55 seconds.
Wala pa din.
Jersey number 28. Pass to foul. Jersey number 3.
Duarte. Wala. Ano si Mang
Second
Nico?
personal foul.
Wala.
Third team
Foul
foul.
ni Jade. Jade, 2 points. Hala, ayan na. 4 na lang.
Diretsa. Check na.
10 down to 4.
Pasok.
At Pinheiro, wala na.
Takbo.
Second first shot. Ready for the jumper. Complete 2 points by jersey number 24.
Sundan mo lang, boss. Wala sundan mo lang.
20 seconds.
Foul, was foul rep. 26.
Abad for 3. No
First
good.
personal,
Wala
second
pa rin.
team
Wala
foul.
talaga. There's a foul. Yeah. Off the second foot.
3 points. 31-24.
Sundan ko. Ay, ko.
14 to shoot.
Uy!
Miller Diego, 10 for 3. Wala ay. 2 points.
Okay, papunta yan.
Ah,
Pasyat. Time out. Wala.
14 seconds.
Paul Sugib. Foul!
Foul.
Nice one.
Wala pa.
Wala pa penalty, wala pa.
Third pa lang sila, third.
Warning for penalty, wala nang foul ha.
Third. Duarte, first personal, 1 second.
Wala na oras.
Ang gulo lang dalawa.
Score 26-31. Piniling.
Yan, maganda yan.
For 3. No good. Rebound ni Yorme. Sabi ni Mr. Yorme, sandali
Hindi,
lang.
wala naman silang mapili.
Ayan si Banza to Banspire.
Wala naman kasi silang pipiliin
Pasok.
dyan.
Pula.
The score 49-29. Malaki-lagi pa rin.
Sila, yun, yung red.
Kaya now.
Eh, ganyan ginawa mo, masasaktan lahat ng player.
Abad again. Abad, sasalaksak. Set to shoot. To Bartolo. Fire.
Ay, block by Gatchalian.
Inside.
Gatchalian. Kinapagod na.
Kaya kanilalik to Banza. Goodbye.
Nakuha ni Miranda.
The score 51-29. Bella step back for 3. No good. In and out.
Taliño.
Rebound by Santos
Taliño.
Yorme.
Uy, oh, foul.
Tulali.
Was foul
Ang
rin?
paborito tres.
Ay.
Uy! Ang ganda naman doon! Iiwan!
May pasaylo ay.
Close.
Apat to Bartolo!
Mangga!
May pagsaktanan na kayo.
Foul, Belarus.
Ubusin mo na, ubusin mo.
54-31.
Parang gulo nitong third quarter ah.
To Yorme. Yorme
Miranda.
now. Yorme, didiskarte.
Miranda.
Nandun si Bantay. Nakuha na naman
Balista,
ni Yorme.
40 to
10 shoot. Lalik again. Lalik for 2.
10.
Ganda talaga ng mga highlights si Mr. Lalik. Buti na lang may internet na.
Wala.
Balik tayo to Bella for 3. No good. Rebound to Abad. Jumble. Bola lang. Save ball. Save ball tayo.
13. Wala.
14 to shoot. Bartolo now. Bartolo for 3.
Foul. Pass ball.
Rebound. Number
Number 6.
jersey number 21.
Dalawa ka na. Number 6. Cruz.
Score 57-33.
14 to shoot. Miranda.
Barcia. Barcia
Miranda.
now. Lalik. One more time. Lalik. No
Running
good.
violation.
Ayan na si Bella. Bella. Twilight to Abad. Simon.
Gonzalez to number 13. Wala.
Eagles.
Nakuha pa ng number 9.
Score
Wala pa din.
57-35.
Oy.
Kunting habol pa.
Nice, Steve.
12 seconds to shoot.
Okay, back to the ball game.
8.
Shout out sa G&G Apparel, Southland Tire, and Pink
25.
Basketball Rooftop.
Number 2.
Oras natin 5 minutes and
Italian.
55 seconds.
Dalawa ka na, Besh.
Yorme now, set the play.
Nanakit na sila.
Yorme to Barcia. Barcia for 3. Mahina nandun si Bantay. Yorme again. To Lalik. Yorme. That's the shoot.
Bangga, bangga.
Coffee, no good. Bola ng Wolves.
Natin. Na. 5 minutes, ano kami ha?
Abad daw, nagmamadali si Mr.
12 seconds.
Abad. Kunti ka pa ma-turnover.
Time out kami,
Golden
time out.
nandun siya. Patay. Wala pa rin.
10
Out
seconds.
of bound.
5 minutes up.
Reserve sub tayo. Lalik now.
Tutuloy na lang yan.
Sabrep. Sabrep. Jersey number 3 is Abad out. Bola ng Eagles.
19. Salinyo. Uy. Foul. Belaros.
14 to shoot. Yorme
Warning,
now.
warning. Dalawa ka na.
To Bantay, to Yorme.
14 to shoot.
Break, 5 to shoot for 2. No good.
Banginista. 2 points.
Good
Basket
by
count.
Mr. Saki.
Unsportsmanlike foul. Oy, saglit. Namatay.
There's to Bartolo now. Bartolo fake. Inside. 15 to shoot. To Angel. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si Yorme. Yorme nagmamadali. So Barcia. Sobrep. Chacha in. Cruz. Archibal. No good again.
Sige na, 5:31, 5:31.
Barcia now.
14 to shoot.
To Lalik. Lalik for 3. No good. To Abad. Rebound by Cruz. Ito na si Eugenio.
For 3, wala. 14 to shoot.
Cruz. Sayang yun. Saan na ni Abado? Wala. Simon! Super roll.
Oy.
Buti na lang
Foul.
Lalik.
Sab na, pwede na. Kunanan. Penalty.
Papawi si Mr. Lalik sa highlights. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes
Wala.
and 13 seconds. The score 62-35. Ito na si Eugene. Eugene to Cruz, to Big Boy.
Wala pa din.
Pasok.
Pwede na wag sab, ha?
Score 62-37. Ito na si Lalik.
Nag-sub na kaya.
Mukhang papaalis ni Mr. Lalik. Pitsatsa lang.
Piliero, bang! 3 points. 39-26.
Inside, wala. Laban si Datun.
Basket down.
William Cross.
Number 10.
Inside,
Tatlo ka na.
wala.
First per
Wala pa rin.
end. First team foul.
Ayan na. Sinigay.
Uno! Lambot na yun.
Traveling violation.
Wala ka ng gana.
39, 10.
Sampo!
Wow.
Oh.
Jay,
Si Jin.
ilan na lang?
Begin now. 15 to shoot. Inside. Ayan na.
Panalo kayo sa pagkakas.
Inside. Nandun si jersey number 11. The big one. The big one.
Wow.
Score
29,
64-39.
Lazada. Tatlo ka na. Penalty.
Cha-cha now. 40 to shoot. Inside.
Wala.
Isa lang! Bin! Rama!
Lalik.
Rama! Yeah, puntos!
Wala.
Ayun, si Pinyawan. Pinyawan. Foul.
10 points yun.
He scores 64.
Lazada, 2 points.
45. Put a shot para
One
kay.
shot, that's one shot.
39.
Cha-cha.
Naaga.
Ay! Ganda na alit naman doon.
Wala.
Ayun, si jersey number 24. 24. 4-3. No good.
Piliero.
Yeah, of the third quarter. 64-45 in favor by Eagles.
Wala. Timeout.
Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go.
33-39. Anim na lang.
Eagles ball.
14.
Eagles ball.
10. Piliero. Wala.
Still!
Ayan na si Yorme. Yorme, tulalik. Yorme again.
Wala ng green.
Time out!
Timeout.
To shoot. Bella inside. Ito na, bakbakan na to. Fourth quarter na. Jersey number 20. Oy! Jersey number 8, that is your first personal foul. First team foul.
Taas.
Bonus shot.
50 seconds. Ano na lamang ng product? Lazada. Wala.
Second bonus shot. Ready for the jumper.
Piliero.
The score
Piliero. Ayan na. 43. 2 points. 41-33.
Abad daw, nagmamadali si Mr. Abad. Abad again.
Foul.
Abad to Yorme. Yorme to Abad. Traveling violation ng tawag ni Rep. Maligaya to Bartolo. Sasalaksak yan. Foul. Malajay. That is your first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot para kay Bartolo. Pasok.
Lang. Oh.
Tumawid din po! Tumawid din!
Oh, sige na. Last 10 final quarter.
Ayan na, si jersey number 21, butik pa. Ay, sayang naman. Yorme now, Yorme, inside. Wala, turnover. Again and again, nakuha na naman ni jersey number 28. To Balagay, wala ka sa tira.
Piliero. 2 points.
Sayang yung nakuha ni Boys.
43.
Cyborg! Eagles!
34.
Score 66-51. Bumababa na.
Maglikmot, bang! 3 points. 37.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Andyan na ang mga check ko. Patay tayo. 2 points. Evangelista.
Ito na.
Foul 25.
Goal now.
First personal, first team foul.
Goal now.
Yan na sila.
John! Nasa wala. Kung Bartolo. Nakuha pa. Na-steal ni Besa. Besa now to Pantay.
Bantay.
Pantay. To Gatoon for 3. Ay, wala.
2 points. Time
Bartolo now to
out.
Abad. Fake. Fake pa rin. Foul. Score! Bonus shot! Sabrip! Zaki in! Lalik out! Bonus shot! Ready for the jumper!
3 points.
10 na lang yan!
Ay, pita na lang.
Nanti ka na! Marcia now to Bantay. Si Saki.
Traveling.
Saki now.
7 minutes.
Saki inside to Bantay. To Besa. Set to shoot. 5. Basha now. Inside to Besa. Malakas. 14 to shoot. Basha now.
Boy, sa kanila pa rin.
Bantay. 10 to shoot. Inside. Wala pa rin. Ayan na. Si Pera for 3. No good.
Miranda, 14 to shoot. Miranda, 2 points.
Yes, now. Foul, jersey number 8. Simon!
Foul basket. 19. Sabi nyo, dalawa ka na.
10 na lang yan, mababa pa.
Bonus row.
Huwag masyado magtitiwala.
Depensa, depensa!
Oy.
Right to the ball game.
Ay, paano 41?
Basket count, basket count.
Okay. Si Bantay now. Si Saki, Saki! Easy basket para kay Mr. Saki.
43-40 na.
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 inside. Wala na. Kuha na lang. Kick ball.
10 to shoot.
Bola ng Wolves.
2 points.
Rebound to jersey number 9 to Bartolo. Bartolo for 3. Wala. Rebound by Basha. To Bantay.
Ilapit na!
Besa, Besa, reverse.
Duwarte, pasok.
Si jersey number 2. Palipayan inside. Foul. Bantay. That is your third personal foul.
45.
Third team foul.
Ako sa yun, hindi sa'yo yun!
Sabrip.
10 to shoot.
Sakit yan.
3 minutes.
Grip mo.
5.
Bin, bin, bin! Brenda!
Mayrina, first personal,
Brenda!
first team foul.
2 free throws! 25 pa lang!
Wala. Second bonus shot. Para kay Angel.
2 minutes, 40.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Zaki.
Wala, nakuha ni Mang Likmot. Mayrina.
Nice one!
Zaki. 15 to shoot. Reserve sub.
Patpillero.
7 to shoot.
Hoy, apat na lang.
Sana lang. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Para Mr. Bella.
Wala.
Nice, sir. Nice, sir.
Wala pa rin.
Celebrate lang yun. Celebrate.
Ben! Kusaki! Wala pa rin. Pasok para kay Mr. Eugene.
Foul.
Walo na lang.
Wala.
Bantay now. Sab. Sino siya sab?
Headlock sa 51.
Kusaki to Pesa. Listen up. Again, foul. 13 foul. Sab rep. Pasok.
10.
Pesa.
Labas.
5. 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Talino.
40 to shoot. Cha down. 10 to shoot.
Wala.
Saki. Favorite shot.
20.
Saki.
Nyo. Pesta nyo.
And as Eugene now. Eugene.
Let's go.
Sub. Warning for penalty.
Chacha now nagmamadali si Mr. Chacha to favorite shot sila.
Warning for
Bilis ng score.
Play.
Ayan na si Jersey number 8.
Manager, play.
Jersey number 8 now.
Coach. Champion.
Bella.
Jen.
50 to shoot.
Guard.
So Eugene for 3. Wala.
Wala.
Wala pa rin.
Foul.
Dalawa.
Kusaki.
Depensa lang.
Saki to Chacha. Pasha. Time out!
14.
Time out!
Miranda. 10. 2 points.
Abad, time out ulit.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Kasi may shot na pa.
Let's go.
Duarte.
Last 49 seconds.
14 to shoot.
Eugene now. Eugene to
Yeah,
Abad.
ball.
Abad. Good
Last
to
36 seconds. Score not in. 51-53.
Malik now.
Sonics up by 2.
Malik. To Catherine now. Eugene. That is short.
14 to shoot.
Foul. 1 for penalty.
10 to shoot.
1 for penalty.
5. Basket.
Gusto mo?
Good. Time out kayo? Tuloy.
Penalty.
51-54. 12 seconds. 10.
Pasok.
And it's a traveling violation. Time out. Sonic.
Nakabawas.
Pasok. Complete to point. Congratulations, Eagles team. Congratulations, Super World. Good night.
6 seconds.
Ano yun? Bantay.
Second team foul. 4 seconds.
Sino yung nag-foul?
Wilson.
Huwag mo nang i-double mo na lang.
Hey!
Third team foul. 1 second. Congratulations, Team Sonics.
Picture.
Best player, Evangelista.
Ano, finish ko na. Finish ko.
Okay, pause mo na. Evangelista, best.